Hello all, in the previous video we have seen how to print a big data set and then how to find a unique value out of the data set using value underscore counts method, right? We printed the number of midfielders, defenders, forward players and goalkeepers which played in a particular season, right? So now this is done on a particular column, only one column, okay? And then we printed the nationality of the players, how many players from a particular country played. So this is all done on a single column. Now let us assume if someone wants to analyze two different columns and print them. Like example, if someone wants to know from a particular nationality how many goalkeepers are there, how many forwards are there, how many midfielders are there. So for that what we have to do is data frame, okay, underscore one. So this is our data set, right? So let us just try to print to see the same using the indexing method. So let us just try to print the data set first. So this is how, and then what we are doing is nationality versus position. So for that we have to use something called cross-tabulation feature of pandas data frame. So what we are going to do by cross tabulation is we are going to find the occurrence of a particular parameter under a column, and also include another column so that the list that is printed out at the end, we should not say list, the data frame that is generated at the end is combination of two different columns. So for that, as we said, we are going to use cross tabulation. So in the PD pandas data frame, this has a function called cross tab. So this is the function, this is the cross tabulation function, and we know the data frame. Okay, so now we are going to consider first the nationality, and we wanted to know from that nationality how many players, how many goalkeepers, how many forwards are there, right? And then again with respect to the nationality, which is the main parameter, we are going to um, take the position. So this is called cross tabulation. So now when we do this and run, you can see here it is printed in a alphanumeric, sorry, alphabetic order, right? So you can see, example, we were talking about England having more players, right? So if you see, there are 83 defenders, 35 forward players and 30 goalkeepers in that particular season of the EPL. And you can see Brazil has more forward players. We know, right? Brazil used to produce those forward players, and now as well. So you definitely will have domination, and definitely Spain, Portugal, Cristiano Ronaldo, right? Who doesn't know about him? So, and then France. So these main countries, you can see there is a lot of demand from the forwards, right? So again, one way of analyzing using two different columns and then bringing them together and trying to create the data. So this is how a cross tabulation functions in a panda data frame. Thank you.